Hello guys, let's take some problem on numerical system from R.D. Sharma, which says express rational numbers as decimal numbers. You can see here I have written three rational numbers. So first tell me what are the rational numbers. Those numbers which are always represented in the form of integer by integer fraction, then that number would be known as rational number. So you can see here that all these numbers are in integer by integer fractional form. That's why all these numbers are rational numbers. Now you need to convert them into decimal numbers. And how are you going to do that? Let's take our first example, which is 2:15. Just to make the calculation easy, what I'll do, I'll multiply this number with 10 and divide this number by 10, so that it will become 20 divided by 15 and divided by 10. So first divide 20 by 15. What you'll get, as you need to get a number which should be lesser than 20. So 15 ones are 15, which is lesser than 20. So 1, remainder will be 5. Now let's take 0, 5, 0. 15 threes are 45. So this will be 3. Again 5, 0, 3s are 45. So this will go on like this. When you divide this number further by 10, what you'll get, this decimal place will come before 1 and this number would become 0.1333. Can you observe one thing here? As 3333 will go on, it will never terminate. So this is non-terminating in nature, and as 3 is repeating itself, that's why this is recurring in nature. Recurring means it is repeating itself. That's why this is non-terminating recurring decimal number. Now let's take another question, which is 15 by 4. When you divide this rational number, what you'll get, you need to take a number which should be lesser than 15. 4 3s are 12, which is of course lesser than 15. Remainder would be 3. 3 0, again it would be 7. 4 7s are 28. 2 0, 4 5s are 20. So representation of this rational number is 3.75. Now let's take another rational number, which is 45 by 1000, and this is the easiest rational number. You can easily divide it. To divide this number, you know that you need to put 3 decimal digits at decimal places after decimal point. So this would be 0.045. As you can see here that there are 3 zeros in the denominator. So what you need to do here, you need to keep 3 decimal digits after decimal point. So that's why there are 3 decimal digits, 0, 4, 5. So that when you remove this decimal point, there would, as you can see here, there are 3 decimal digits. So there would be 3 zeros in the denominator. So you can write this as 0.045. So this is the decimal representation of this rational number 14:1000. I hope you understood this quite well. I will be taking more problems in the next video lecture. Thank you.